Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It has a free plan, it has a premium plan. It features gives us our real-time updates, offline support, automatic persistent queries. It's really good. It's really good. So some people say what's instantly? Well, instantly, like the name says, it's all about speed and keeping things simple. The desire to make working with lead generation to a breeze, even if you are new to it. They are really focused on making it lightweight and easy to get started with. That's it. So it's very to boost your email outreach. Don't let that email get lost in spam. Then try instantly AI today and see the results for yourself. Now, some of the key benefits are blazing fast. It claims to be up to 70% faster than other sales software. That's a big deal. Tiny footprint. The core library is less than 1 KB. It won't slow down your app at all. And you can get instant updates when your data changes. No more manual refreshing. You get real-time updates. Then you can work offline. Your app keeps working even without an internet connection, which is great. And when it comes to pricing, well, we can say it has affordable pricing plans. It's easy to set up and use. AI-powered email assistant improves email deliverability. It has helpful customer support. Then let's look at the cons. Now the cons is that it has limited email template. The integration could be improved, occasional deliverability issues, and analytics could be more, robust.